Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can download fonts and import them to CapCut PC. So just select the kind of font that you want to download. I'm just going to select this one, press download, and you're going to just start downloading this font. Then I'm going to, hold on, I need to actually open my folder. Then you are just going to open up that folder that you just downloaded and select the font, like double click on it and just press install once it's loaded. Why is it taking a long time? Press install, and then you're just going to close that, and you're going to close CapCut, and you're just going to like restart it and just basically closing and opening the font again. Sorry, the app, not the font. Open up a project. Go to text and add in your default text. I'm just going to leave it like, I'm just going to type in dance actually. Just the font size, go to font. And then you're going to put this up and like put that up, and you're going to go to system font. And you'll find the font here. So if you don't pull this down, pull it up, it's going to, you have to scroll it, and it's going to take a long time. So press this arrow and you'll see system font, which will show the fonts that you have basically downloaded, and here you can also change the color of the font if you'd like to. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!